Hi guys, and welcome as always to Black Stag Styling. Hopefully this isn't one of the first videos you've checked out, as we now have plenty on our channel. Everything from styling vehicles to hydrotipping prosthetic limbs, you name it, we've done it. So please do check out some of our other videos. On this occasion we have in with us another Ford Transit Custom. This is a black one, brand spanking new, so it's a 21 reg van, and we have it in for some extra styling. So starting at the front of the van, we are going to be adding removing the front bumper, removing the chrome grille surround, and that will be done in gloss black and refitted. But also we are adding a bumper extension to the front bumper. This is a lower section, sort of like a small body kit section. This will be body coloured, fitted to the vehicle, and has a slight black extension to the bottom of that as well, adding an extra bit of aggressiveness to the front of the van along with the black grille. And moving down the van, we have a new set of wraith 20-inch alloy wheels and tyres to go on the van as well, so we'll be getting them all fitted. And then when we get to the back of the van, we have some roof spoilers. We will be colour coding to the vehicle and then bonding onto the top of the rear doors. So stay tuned for this, keep following us. Don't forget, please do like and subscribe to our channel. That way you can stay fully up to date, especially if you're into your vans, because we'll have plenty more vans coming as we move along. So we will now get this into the workshop and crack on. We're doing some styling. Thanks very much. Right, so we have test fitted the front part, the lower bumper extension part, and the roof spoilers like we always do, just to make sure they all look good, fit perfectly. So Fraser has now got them in the booth, ready to prep them, sorry, not, they're already prepped, ready to get them primered and then painted. So we're going to see how he's getting on.
Hello Mr. Watson, we're ready to see you now.
Oh, here he is. Ready to see me now?
Ready to see you now. Please take a seat.
In the waiting area. Here we go. Now prepped, ready for paint. I think, am I right? Ready for primer. Ready for primer. There's the spoilers. Here he goes. Right, so Paul has now removed the chrome trim from around the front grille, and so he will now be prepping that. And see the van behind us, look. Here we go, so the chrome grille surround. We popped the bumper off to do this, but they're so fast I missed them. So I've taken the chrome surround out. There we go, that was around the front of the grille. They're in the workshop. Paul is now prepping that, ready to be painted. That's going in a gloss black. Right, okay, so we're now getting the lower bumper extension on after it's been painted. The guys are now lining it up with a special bonding agent that we use here. Isn't that right, Pete?
Very special.
Very special. Just like the two guys fitting it.
Yeah, of course.
We've also, Adam has started to remove the wheels, so front wheels are off. There's the originals. And we'll be fitting the new wheels very soon.
Look, it's switched on.
So just getting it all lined up. Need to use the special bonding agent with these just to make sure everything holds on nicely. And we've got some screws and fixings just to secure it all in place.
Well done, boys.
Well done, boys. Well done.
Good work.
No job.
Top job when you got the A-team on it. Isn't it, Ad?
Yeah, man.
B-team weren't available. Somewhere in there.
Okay, so also in the booth we have the chrome grille surround. So Fraser will very shortly be primering this. We'll be wetting it, so it'll be primed and then painted in the black, and then a nice gloss lacquer applied as well. And then that'll be, of course, once it's all baked off, we'll be ready to go on to the van. So don't forget, give us a shout at Black Stag Styling if there is any van styling, in fact any styling to any vehicles. Do give us a shout. Black Stag Styling will be happy to help. Don't forget, of course, like and subscribe to the channel. Okay, so now going round to see Fraser, who's now in the booth. The parts have all been primed, so he's now going to get some colour onto the grille trim, get some black onto it, and then it'll be ready for a lacquer coat. Well, it has been a pleasure working with another one of our Ford Transit Customs. This is working in conjunction with John Gross Ford Commercial Department in Ipswich, and of course with the customer himself. So on this one we've done a number of extra lovely little touches, as you've seen. We've now finished getting everything fitted up, including the new wraith gloss black alloy wheels. So they're all on as well. So starting at the front of the vehicle, we have added a front bumper extension panel. So this has like a little front splitter section as well. That's been body coloured to the vehicle and then lacquered and all bonded and fitted onto the vehicle as well. At the same time we took off the chrome grille surround and prepped that and done that in gloss black. So that's added a nice all black finish to the front. Instead of going with a body kit, this just brings the front down that little bit lower, or to look that little bit lower without going crazy with a big body kit. Moving down to the sides of the vehicle, we have then supplied and fitted some wraith gloss black alloy wheels in a 20-inch with new tyres as well. Customer of course is getting to keep his old wheels, so they're now in the back of the van. Moving to the back of the van, last little finishing touches, we have supplied, painted and fitted or body coloured some roof spoilers onto the top of the rear doors, just adding that last little sporty touch to the van. So this is now all done, all ready to go back to the customer. It's had a nice little clean to finish everything off. He will be along very shortly to collect the van. So as always, please do like and subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to turn on your notifications, particularly if you're into your van styling, because we'll have plenty more vans to come as well. We will catch you again very soon. Superb. Thanks for watching. Take care.